To zoom in or out on a Photoshop document, on a Windows machine, hold down the Alt key. On a Mac, the Option key. With that key held down, simply roll the scroll wheel on your mouse. Now pay close attention to where your mouse pointer is, because that's the point about which the magnification will be centered. Let's say, for example, I wish to zoom in on this blue door just down here. So I've got my mouse pointer in place, holding down Alt or Option, and then just simply roll that scroll wheel. Now let's say you love zooming using the scroll wheel, but holding down that modifier key is proving to be a bit of a pain. Well, I've got some good news for you. Here on a Mac, Photoshop, Preferences, Tools. On a Windows machine, you'll find these at the bottom of the Edit menu. And we are looking for this option just here, Zoom with Scroll Wheel. So I'll turn that on, choosing OK. And note I'm not using any modifier keys, but if I roll my scroll wheel on the mouse, I can happily zoom in and out like so. So I hope that helps you with your zooming here inside of Photoshop. Catch you later.